Yes, consider this question. So we need to write a program in order to find all the even numbers from a list. Okay. So for this purpose, you can consider a sample list of elements. Let us suppose I'm considering list 1 is equal to some elements like 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma, okay, 10 comma 14, like this. Now from these list of elements, even the list can be basically unsorted. Okay, you can take some elements to change its order. Okay, something like this. Now the idea is to find only the even numbers from the list. Okay, so for I in list 1, okay, we need to check whether the element is even or odd. If element is even, you can print that element. So you can check by performing mod 2, that is you're dividing I with 2. If suppose the remainder is 0, in that case we can print I. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. You can see the elements like 2, 8, 10 and 14. These are the elements which are even numbers from the list. Okay, suppose if they ask you to display odd numbers from the list, okay, so in that case you just need to modify this as not equal to 0. Then you will get result as 3, 5, 7, 3, 1 and all the odd numbers will be displayed. So like this.